Is your PC running slow? Apps taking forever to open? Don't worry. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to clear temporary files and create virtual memory in Windows 10 and 11. This step-by-step guide will not only free up space, but it will also make your computer run faster. Wondering what are temporary files? Temporary files are junk files created by Windows and app. It can also include cache, logs, or leftovers after updates. Clearing them is safe and it will bring you back the space that has been occupied. So let's get started. If you want to clear temporary files, we will first start by pressing and hold down the Windows key, then you press R. Now I have my run interface. You will type temp, press enter, continue. So after you press the enter, we have some random files that include junk files. We'll press and hold down our control button, then press A, which means we are selecting all, then you press delete. Then these junk files are moving to our recycling bin. With this, there's a pop-up showing that there are some files that cannot be deleted. This is because these temporal files are helping some of the apps that are open on my machine, so they can't be deleted. So I have to skip them. Skip, skip. Then we are done with our temp delete. We'll press and hold our Windows key, then press R. This time around, we are not using the temp, we are using percentage. We type our temp, then another percentage sign, press OK. Then we have our random files here. We select all, then delete. Continue. So do this for all current apps. I check it, then skip. Again, we'll press and hold down our Windows key, then press R. Here, then we'll enter prefetch. Prefetch, then enter. You press continue. Then we have some random files here. These random files also include some junk files. So we have to select all, then delete. Again, we have to skip some of the files because there are some apps on the machine that are using those files at the moment. So press skip. Then we are done clearing our temporary files. We'll now move to our recycle bin to clear everything in the recycle bin. We select all by using the Control A, then press delete. You now have a pop-up saying, do you want to delete these files permanently? You press yes. Continue. So now the files that we have in the recycling bin is now deleting. So you press undo this for all current items, then skip. Now all our files are deleted in the recycling bin. So at this point, your machine feels lightweight. At this point, your machine should be lighter. Let's move on to create our virtual memory. You might be wondering what virtual memories are. Virtual memory is like borrowing an extra RAM space from your hard drive. If your PC doesn't have enough physical memory, your Windows uses the virtual memory to keep things running faster. Now let's create our virtual memory by pressing and holding down our Windows key, then press S. We have our start menu open. Let's search for advanced system properties. Then we'll click on the advanced system settings. Then we have our advanced tab open. Then in the advanced tab, we have performance, user profiles, setup and recovery. We will now press on the settings under the performance. We have our performance option menu opened. We will now click on the advanced tab. Under the advanced tab, we have processor scheduling and we have virtual memory. Let's move down to the virtual memory side. Then we'll click on change. So we now have our virtual memory menu and it has been automatically set to automatically managing paging files for all drives. Uncheck that button, then click the custom size button. So the moment you click on the custom size, the system managed size vanish. Now we will now have to set our initial size and our maximum size. We now have our virtual memory menu and it has been set to automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Uncheck that side. Check the customized size. Then we have our initial size and our maximum size. Let's set our initial size to 1026. Then our maximum size to be 2026. Then click on set. Then OK. So immediately you click on the OK, you'll be asked to restart your computer before the effect can be applied. So you click on OK, then your machine will reset. Try and clear your temporary files every month to help your machine feel new. Don't forget to drop a comment and also remember to tell me what tutorial you would love to learn next. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. Always remember, tech is for everyone. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.